Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add and switch between new language keyboards on your iPhone. There are a lot of different languages available built into the iPhone's keyboard options, but only two if purchased in the US are defaulted to on, English and emoji. If you want to add a new keyboard, this is how you do it. First, open Settings. Next, scroll down and tap General. Inside of here, choose Keyboard. This is where you're going to find all of your keyboard options. At the top, tap Keyboards. Here you'll see the keyboards that are currently enabled on your iPhone. To add a new one, tap Add New Keyboard. Scroll through the list here and then choose the keyboard and any options associated with that keyboard that you want to add. If there are no options like the Thai keyboard here, it will automatically add it. If you choose a keyboard that has multiple layouts, choose the one that you want to use and then you'll need to tap Done on the top right. Now that we have our new keyboard added, I'll show you how to access it. Close Settings and then go wherever you want to type. I'll open Notes to make it easy to show you. Once the keyboard is up and active, tap the globe icon on the bottom left of your keyboard. This will cycle through the keyboards that you have enabled. You can also press and hold on the globe and a pop-up menu will appear where you can choose your keyboard option there. And that's how you add and switch between different language keyboard layouts on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.